Hello friends. Welcome to the video series of yoga. This is part 7. An overview of the fundamental principles and essentials for doing yoga at home. Synopsis: in this video, I will reveal all the benefits and advantages of yoga which you can get directly or indirectly. 1. Increasing flexibility. 2. Increased use of joints, ligaments and tendons. 3. Increased strength and weight management. 4. Improved blood circulation. 5. Detoxification. 6. Stress relief and pain relief. 7. Focus on present and inner peace. 8. Yoga is beneficial for all age groups. 9. Better breathing and body awareness. 10. Essentials for doing yoga at home. To get mentally and physically fitness through yoga. Please check link given in the description. The precepts. Yoga is taken as a physical remedy for many problems, and especially for people who tend to suffer from different health-related problems like pain, stress, fatigue, sleeping disorder and other similar issues. Yoga is perfect solution. It just needs a bit of practice and patience to see the results, and initially, you can face some problems, but as the time passes, you will learn the art of doing exercises properly and will start to relax after doing them. Following are the few advantages which you can get from yoga exercises. 1. Increasing flexibility. Getting a flexible body is dream of almost every person, but it is very tough to attain certain level of flexibility without proper exercise routine. All the exercises of yoga are based to increase stamina, flexibility and length of your muscles. I have seen people who started yoga when they were not even able to touch their foot toes, but after some practice, they were able to bend their back completely without any trouble to touch their toes. Not only this, but if you observe different poses of yoga, then you will know that it emphasis on certain parts of body which are almost ignored in daily routine, but yoga exercises get these parts activated and makes them flexible to work. 2. Increased use of joints, ligaments and tendons. As I mentioned above that yoga increases flexibility, and it is because of that long research of yoga positions. Every position is well thought and well conceived that you can activate those parts of the body which are normally ignored. For example, shoulder are a part of our body which can change our whole posture, but we seldom do any exercise or certain movement which involved shoulders. In yoga, on the other hand, there are special postures which give stress and relax shoulder particularly, and ultimately you make your shoulders strong and flexible. 3. Increased strength and weight management. Yoga exercises help you in increasing the overall strength of all your body parts including your bones. This increased strength increases support for your whole skeleton. This is a great way to achieve a healthy and toned body. It not only increases the overall strength of your body, but it also helps you in maintain your weight, because you have to practice different postures every day, and in those postures, if your weight increases, you will notice it in very timely manner. 4. Improved blood circulation. Yoga is recommended for patients who have increased blood pressure or even low blood pressure. There are different poses and exercises for both of these purposes. It regulates blood in a more proper way because the positions which are practiced in yoga are very precise, and these positions make sure that every organ of the body comes in exact position, which makes the job for the heat easier. It circulates the blood more easily and more properly. 5. Detoxification. In yoga, muscles are stretched very gently, and in some techniques massage are done, and these techniques ensure proper blood flow in whole body, which also works as detoxification of body. All the undesired secretions are effectively removed from the body because everything works in order. 6. Stress relief and pain relief. Cortisol is a substance in our body which controls the amount of stress, and it is seen that all the yoga exercises help to reduce the amount of cortisol in human body, which ultimately limits the effects of stress on our body. In ancient times, yoga exercises were used to cure different kinds of pain, and in some parts of the world, some expert yogis still practice this technique of lowering and getting rid of pains. 7. Focus on present and inner peace. Inner peace is a thing which is very rare in this materialistic world, and through practice of yoga you can get this rare quality in yourself. Along with physical health, improving mental health is also a future of yoga exercises because it creates a harmony between thoughts, mind and actions of our body. It allows you to converge and focus your thoughts on one purpose of your life. It avoids all the distractions and enables your mind to think very clearly about the success. 8. Yoga is beneficial for all age groups. If you observe yoga techniques then, you will notice that these techniques are not specific for any age group because some of these are very easy and some of them are complex, which shows that people from any age group can practice these techniques and get results. In fact, as you keep on getting older, you master the art of yoga, and all the skilled and prominent masters of yoga are very old-aged people who have got all the control over these techniques, and they are now teaching these techniques to their ancestors. Stamina increases with practice, and people who have been practicing these techniques from young ages can become master of these arts in their older age. 9. Better breathing and body awareness. When you keep on practicing yoga for longer periods of time, then, you get a sense of awareness about your body and you know exactly what is going on inside your body. This helps you in identifying any faults and disorders very early in stage, which helps to get rid of that disorder early. With better breathing techniques, you feel comfortable, and there are techniques in yoga which can enable you to attain relaxation in minutes. These techniques do not require any particular environment or timing, and you can execute them even in your office chair to relax yourself. 10 Essentials for doing yoga at home. There is some equipment which you need for the proper execution of yoga techniques, and in this chapter one will tell you about that equipment. A. Yoga mat and its qualities. B. Other miscellaneous yoga essentials. A. Yoga mat and its qualities. Mat is the first essential thing which you must have in home, and there are certain qualities of good quality yoga mat. First of all, it should be very comfortable and smooth. Thickness of mat also increases the comfort level, but it will also increase the cost of mat. You can go with a medium thick mat for proper and healthy yoga practice. You also should think about the cleaning method of your mat, because if you are involved in hot yoga exercises, then mat will definitely get wet and will need to be washed. So look for a mat which you can wash in your washing machine easily. B. Other miscellaneous yoga essentials. Other than yoga mat, you should also carry a yoga bag, and this is important because I have seen people who practice yoga that they do not care about their mat and towel and other things, but you should have a proper bag which can hold all of your yoga items properly, because discipline is first step of yoga, and if you are not disciplined even in execution of yoga, then how can you expect any discipline in your life through yoga? Some people will think that these essentials will cost them lots of money, but believe it or not, but all of the above items will not cost you more than $150. This is not a big price to pay for proper execution of yoga in comfort of your house. So buy these accessories and exercise yoga at your home effectively. To get mentally and physically fitness through yoga, please check link given in the description. Wrapping up this video series. In this video series, I have tried to tell you all about yoga practice, and I am 100% sure that if you have read the whole book, then you will have started yoga at your own. This is also necessary for your health and better than most of the ordinary and difficult exercise plans, as it is cheapest exercise plan which you can adopt, but once you decide to adopt it, then never leave your intention in halfway and complete the whole process. Once you start enjoying yoga, then everything will start to make sense, because in start you will feel very awkward in bending your body and twisting your back, but once you start getting the advantage and relaxation, then it will get better. If you have been looking for inner peace and harmony for thoughts to achieve some serious goals in your life, then yoga can provide you with that kind of peace and liberty of thoughts. To get mentally and physically fitness through yoga, please check link given in the description. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get future updates. Thank you for watching.